Hello friends, today's topic 3 Tata stocks unknown but with good profits. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society and financial education. Tata Group is the largest business group in India. Its listed companies have market cap of around 32 lakh crores. It is not only famous for its business performance but also for its ethics and contribution to society. Many hospitals, educational institutions have been established by or with the help of Tatas. The Tata Group has 30 listed companies in the stock markets as of now. It also has around 60 unlisted companies. It has created large amounts of wealth for its shareholders. We are all aware of the famous companies in the Tata Group such as TCS, Tata Motors, Titan, Tata Steel, Tata Power, Tata Chemicals, etc. However, there are some other companies too in the Tata Group which are not well known among the general public. The reason for them not being very famous is because they may not have the word Tata in their name. In this video, we will discuss about some Tata Group companies which are unknown to most people. Number 1, Rallis India. Started in 1948, the subsidiary of Tata Chemicals. It makes insecticides, fungicides, herbicides, soil conditioners, plant nutrients, seed development and production. It also does contract manufacturing of products for global companies. Rallis India last 5 years financials. March 2020 total sales 2252 crores, net profit 185 crores. March 2021 the total sales 2429, net profit 229 crores. March 2022 total sales 2604 crores, net profit 164 crores. March 2023 total sales 2967 crores, net profit 92 crores. March 2024 total sales 2648 crores and net profit 148 crores. The mini fundamental analysis: 52 weeks high 294, 52 weeks low 186, current price 272, market cap 5290 crores. For an investor, 1 year returns 41%, 5 year returns 13% CAGR, 10 year returns 3% CAGR. 2. Nelco. Started in 1940 as an electronic company. It offers solutions for satellite connectivity. It offers its satellite connections to various sectors such as banks, oil and gas sector, aerospace sector. It is majorly owned by Tata Power Company. Nelco last 5 years financials. March 2020 total sales 220 crores, net profit 14 crores. March 2021 total sales 226 crores, net profit 12 crores. March 2022 total sales 260 crores and net profit 16 crores. March 2023 total sales 313 crores, net profit 20 crores. And March 2024 total sales 320 crores, net profit 24 crores. 52 weeks high 894, 52 weeks low 581, current price 762, market cap 1739 crores. For an investor, 1 year returns 22%, 5 year returns 20% CAGR, 10 year returns 34% CAGR. Number 3 is Tes Networks. The telecom equipment company designs, develops and manufactures high performance optical and data networking products which are used by telecom service providers and also defense companies. It is likely to play an important role even in the 5G services of telecom companies. Tes Network was founded in Bangalore in 2000 by Sanjay Nawak and Gururaj Deshpande. They were later joined by 2 other co-founders. Its shares were listed on the stock markets in 2017. In July 2021, Tata Sons, through its subsidiary Panatone Finvest Limited, bought 43.35% stake in Tes Network. In April 2022, Tata Group increased its stakes to 52.4, hence it became a majority Tata Group owned company. Tes Network last 5 years financials. March 2020, 391 crores total sales, net profit minus 237 crores. March 2021, total sales 527 crores, net profit 38 crores. March 2022, total sales 551 crores, net profit minus 63 crores. March 2023, total sales 920 crores, net profit minus 36 crores. March 2024, total sales 2,471 crores, net profit 63 crores. 52 weeks high 1183, 52 weeks low 618, current price 1115 and market cap 19,033 crores. For an investor, 1 year returns 81%, 3 year returns 83% CAGR, 5 year returns 43% CAGR. End of the video, here is the question. Were you aware that these companies are part of the Tata Group? Yes, I knew all three. Is the A. In case you don't know, B, and partially knew, you can type C. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.